What will the motorcycles of the future look like? The designer of the following concept, created especially for BMW, tried to answer this question. The target user for this vehicle is a vibrant, eco-minded young individual, which is reflected in the characteristics. The dimensions are about half of a normal motorcycle. It's powered by a front-wheel motor, and instead of a rear wheel, it has a sphere. However, at first glance, it doesn't look like a comfortable or safe vehicle. What do you think? Will something like this really exist